Malaka nyam kana san content bawrash me ba jeling biya kamalka Nuer online TV channel ka jan gwasme banar ler ban jeling lere me bere wucha ka South Sudan jan dan bukon linkel te karam cha kwan kirm yadit mirama dit ray kumaka mataka long medit ke take power medit ramo mo jan dan bana linkel ke do brana cha kwanya kirm yadit bukon diala linkel mi jira majidit ka Nuer online TV channel don den changa nem koji gor jen o jinder jen nyaga nasin ko ken ko de ler titi de kan chamala chu gosen ten gor kon ken o de ko tin an ler ko ni jen gwasame shikir ma yadit kuäär ka bom ko baran yen tel wargak mi chen nyodran ke tel wargak mi nyudaran wache je kwany dere je yen ka che warga che je gor ka police ka de chendit wajen te ka lwanko be ji yen tel warga mun yuto jen go cha jogo no be ji yen ano en muktaba mo e muktaba shwal ke Internal Security Bureau of the National Security Service ajen muktaba mon en muktaba na me poinde ajen muktaba ran te ka lwanko ba ji yen akan lat ke tel mugoro ba na nyudo warga ga no ram me che dere me che dure jen yan ga jamo ba yen ji ne ka do ba dan cikin gorka jeno be ken yen mi gorka no kep kan be ken kep telo ba ji letich ke ba na la jogo no ram kapu jam ram cha kam longa mo ken wud na cha kwanya kirm yadit tiang ram cha le general charles chich jaramandan en cha kam security bureau of the national security service ke ramadan ta gang which ke liu tepinde a cikin ma yadit ce wuda me wuda shal kamon wo Charles ce ja kwany ko bala kuäär en cha kam yen ko bana ba ka yen telawar ga miteke je a cikin ma yadit ce raja mo ce jalat KSSBC ke South Sudan television ka do dan je jelin ka je jen chalar ne gwasame the appointment announced on state-run media come after General Chich served as the acting director general for a week. Wajan che ka jok lo tere kwarka, you know. Wa ka chwe Ramadan and his predecessors a ka tong a ko. Wa chwe joj ka chanka well ka fire ron kin dangro wijen dangro die wa chwe wuch enono wa general change point wajente la deputy director general ka administration ka key finance no ka national security ndana cha kullaten jen gwade dana te tinwal la jen kwa promote je ko jeram dana cha guje kirm yadi no de longa mekeli o dar te pinde. South Sudan President Salva Kiir Mayardit on Monday night confirmed General Charles Chich Mayer as the new Director General of the Internal Security Bureau of the National Security Service, NSS. The appointment announced on state-run media come after General Chich served as the acting Director General for a week, following the dismissal of his predecessor Akech Tonga Aku on 10 February 2025. General Chich previously held the position of Deputy Director General for Administration and Finance within the NSS. His promotion marked the third leadership change in the intelligence agency since South Sudan gained independence in 2011. The National Security Service is one of the country's most powerful security institutions, wielding extensive authority, including the ability to arrest individuals without a warrant. The agency has faced criticism for its alleged crackdown on opposition figures, activists, and journalists, including waves of arbitrary arrests and other reported abuses. The National Security Service has consistently denied this allegation. In another decree, President Kiir appointed Lieutenant General Chol Agot Deng as the new Deputy Director General for Administration and Finance of the Internal Security Bureau. The president also reshuffled key positions within the office, removing Lila Adiu Martin Maniel as a press secretary and replacing her with David Amor Majur. Mr. Amor was serving as the head of public relations at the Embassy of South Sudan in Uganda before his appointment as a press secretary in the president's office. Lila Adiu, who had served in the role of the press secretary since 6 August 2022, was subsequently appointed as a grade 2 ambassador and posted to Ethiopia as South Sudanese envoy. Analysts suggest that this change, which includes the recent removal of Kiir's longest-serving Vice President Dr. James Waniga, are part of broader strategy to consolidate power ahead of long-delayed election scheduled for December 2026. South Sudan has not held a national election since its independence in 2011. The country has been formally at peace since a 2018 agreement ended in 5 years civil war that claimed hundreds of thousands of lives. However, political tension remains high as the nation prepares for its first post-independence election. Kil mayardi tene ngwane woje long ngwasamo. La jen ne to ngwane kono woj ne ko gwade da ne che vice president dang ro che ka woj. Waniga kan Abdul Bagi me che ka woj. Chuko bene di ala content ke security sector bakan di al bakan yoko makabe ko chong. Ko goro be ro da realeka ka kwingwe men be ki do bodana dong de da pass ke ja. Jen dan gwin gwasa me cheneri ngwan chakar shuffle ke chaka watch ka position ken na me jela de dan inshallah da kitiang ko ngoda we ko mujana still taram ngaj manan le ro mo woniam ramran cha kwanya la ran national security jiran ram me man te kalwan ko be dial bakari alaka ka ku security kare ka South Sudan kana wala kana kep lor bang a changa no dong te ka waranti ki minyo warga minyo de gwano yandi ko kinema ka an biata ka mal babai